Hi, and welcome to 2229 North Johnston here in Springfield, Missouri. This home is conveniently located near restaurants and shopping. Go on in and take a look. First, we're coming into the living area. It's got a large living area. It does have a ceiling fan there. And it's got kind of a separated area here. This could be used as a second living area, an office, dining room. It's just a very large area for you to use how you see fit. And here is the kitchen. It's got plenty of cabinets here. And it has a separate little breakfast dining look here. And it does come with a stove and a refrigerator. It's got a separate laundry room here. There's your washer dryer hookup. And going on out here is the back deck. It does have a one-car detached garage that doesn't have a door, but it does have that little detached garage. Is very nice there. And a fenced backyard, a large fenced backyard. So we'll come on in here, let you take a look at the rest of the home. And here is our back bedroom. It's got extra space here. Good sized bedrooms in this home. There's a closet behind the door here. And then we'll go on in and let you take a look at the bathroom. It's got the Jack and Jill bathroom that can be accessed from either bedroom. And again, here's the front bedroom, another good-sized bedroom here. Closet there. And there you have 2229 North Johnston here in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.